Hey friends, welcome to another video of the Ktor series. In this video, we will basically encrypt our passwords so they are not stored as plain texts as we saw in the last video. So again, we will drop the table and create it again so it is all empty. And then we will go to our IDE. To encrypt the password, we need another Gradle package which is called bcrypt. I already have the link to that, so we will go into the build Gradle and go at the bottom of the dependencies and add this line. So there is this package you can search on mvm repositories called jbcrypt. It is by org.mind.rot, so you can get this package from there, and you can always find the link for this one in the GitHub as well. So we have installed this. We will resync our Gradle um, file, and after that we will create a function in our user credentials class. So we'll create a helper function here which will return us the hashed password here. So we'll say hashed password, which will return us a string. So how do we hash it? We'll simply call the bcrypt. It's not detecting it. Okay, so it was bcrypt, the C was capital. So we'll do bcrypt dot hash password, and here we will pass the password that we want to hash, which is in this case the password, and then we'll do bcrypt dot gensalt. So this gensalt creates like a salt value that helps us to create a more secure encrypted passwords, which is difficult to decrypt, so hackers can basically read the plain text in future, so it avoids those scenarios. So we have this hashed function here. So we'll go to our authentication routes, and here instead of password we'll do hashed password, and let's try running our server and go to Postman, and now let's try making a request. So the request is successful. Let's go to MySQL workbench and select all the users, and you can see that the password has been encrypted. So that's a success. And now what we will do is we will add some validations to our endpoint, which we will do in the next video. Thank you very much.